Hey, good afternoon. Social media, Raymond Noble here. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Haven't been recording, just had some things going on. However, I've had some agents calling me regarding renovation finance, and just had a real good conversation with one of my lenders regarding it. And yes, we do have ADU financing. It is through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac conventional channel, so that means that you can purchase a house for 3.5% down. I'm sorry, 3% down or 5% down. Use those programs and be able to add an ADU, which is what the conversation with a couple agents has been in the last couple of days. They want to. Their clients were looking to do some ADU additions so that they can create some income. Unfortunately, you can't use the income for the rents. However, once you move people in, you're going to be able to get the rent. So that's all that really matters. So if you have any questions regarding the programs, I have a ton of information and I am gathering more. I am going to be the renovation guy in town, be the construction, going to be the finance guy for that genre of real estate. And yeah, look for some more to come. I have some projects coming up, and look forward to telling you about them in the short future. Have a good rest of your day. It's Raymond out, and I'm out. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.